She don't wanna love and making no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no, my baby on a whole nother different level, she be slower now. She take me to heaven when she goes slower. Right after we fuck, she give me culture down.
Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and also we're going to be doing our hair. So today's sponsor is Luvmehair. Shout out to Luvmehair. We love working with Luvmehair because they are such a great company to work with, and I use their products, their hair, everything all the time. It's absolutely one of the best companies I've ever worked with, and I highly recommend. And you can use my code for shopping on their website. You can get 20% off when you use JAZELLE20. So we are doing our makeup first. As you can see, we're getting into the makeup girl, and honestly I feel like I needed to do this for myself because I have just been going through a little bit of postpartum. I don't want to claim it too much because I know that the storm is almost over for me, and I feel like I needed to get cute and just dress myself up and just feel good again. You know what I mean? Being a new mom is so stressful. I completely forgot how this process was the first time around. As you guys know, I have a son named Nolan, and that is my firstborn. He is now 7 years old, and to be doing this process all over again is so, I don't want to say difficult, but it's just going through the motions again. It's just a completely new feeling, you know what I mean? And then also having a baby girl this time around, she is just a little bit more fussy, and it's a process. It's a process. For any new moms that are out there, I'm with you. If you want to talk, let's talk, girl. I understand how hard it can be. And also at nighttime, it can be extremely difficult with a newborn baby because they just want to be up all night and they want to do what they want to do, and you're basically on their time and you're not on your own time anymore. But yeah, we are getting the makeup completed. I did do my eyebrows and I did add some concealer. I used my Too Faced concealer, and also I used my Too Faced eyebrow pencil, and I love Too Faced's products because they just work so good, and I have been using them for quite some time now, and I definitely am an advocate. Girl, I'm going to tell you, go spend a coin, okay? Go spend a coin on some Too Faced, baby. So the foundation that I am using is the Mario Makeup by Mario foundation, and I recently got this when I was pregnant, and I've been using it a lot lately, and I can definitely say this is a great foundation. I absolutely love it. It's been working really, really good. I am looking for some new foundations to try out, and baby girl just had to have a moment. She just wanted mommy to pick her up, and this is just a realistic video, okay? This is my life, you guys. I have a little girl, and she loves getting attention from me. She needs my attention. She needs me 24/7. So I did go in with a blush as well. This is the Lice blush. I think I am pronouncing that right. I'm not sure, but I will leave all the makeup details down in the description box below so that way you guys can purchase the products yourself. But I absolutely love this brand. I believe this is a black brand if I'm not mistaken. I believe it is, but I got this from Sephora. I absolutely love it because it's a cream blush, and lately I have been loving a really nice blushed look, so I basically applied it everywhere. As you can see, underneath my eyes, next to my nose, on my cheekbones. It is just giving the girl some life, okay? I just wanted to look alive, and I just wanted to look blushy and healthy and just beautiful, and it definitely did that for me. And I also used my Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Honey Translucent. Is it Honey Translucent or is it Honey? I'm not sure, but it's the Honey one. I have been using the Laura Mercier honey powder for quite some time. I love the finish that it gives. It definitely adds that coverage that I'm looking for, and it is just perfect, girl. Okay, if you are thinking about purchasing this product, go ahead and spend your coin on it because it's definitely worth it. However, I do want to say I have been thinking about trying the Huda Beauty powder, and maybe I'll go ahead and purchase that, and I'll let you guys know how it works, and you'll probably see it in one of my upcoming videos because I definitely want to go ahead and get the travel size one because why not? I heard it adds a lot more coverage, and I'm here for the coverage. Okay, it doesn't hurt to try. I'll say that it definitely does not hurt to try. The lip gloss that I'm using is a Fenty lip gloss, and you guys, I absolutely love this lip gloss. I have been wearing it non-stop. It's one of my favorite. And hey, Gracie Corner, y'all, when I say this is my new life, this is literally my new life. Baby, we're watching Gracie Corner every day. Okay, baby girl has to have some type of entertainment, as you can see. So we are also using the Fenty Beauty mascara. This mascara is absolutely one of my favorite mascaras. I've been using a lot lately, and it just looks so good. Like, it definitely makes my eyelashes a lot more bolder. And you guys, I have not been using any lashes lately. I have been wearing my natural lashes, and I have to say thank you to Fenty Beauty because the girl has definitely been making my lashes look so good, and they look like falsies. Like, they look really good. I absolutely love this mascara. Let's get into the wig, y'all. So this is a beautiful curly unit wig which has blonde honey highlights in it, and this is the lace. Y'all, I love this wig. This wig is so cute. It's super fun, and it's definitely given natural. Okay, if you guys don't know, I do rock my natural hair as well, but sometimes when I want to get a break from my natural hair, I tend to put on natural looking wigs because I still want to look natural, but I don't have the time to be messing with my hair. Like, I just need something that I can just throw on and just go. You feel me? So this is the wig, and we are cutting the lace. The lace was pretty easy to cut, and I'm definitely using some scissors that Luvmehair provided me. Shout out to Luvmehair for the scissors because these definitely came in handy, and I was so tired of using my janky scissors that I had for years now. But the lace is super easy to cut. It's super translucent as well, and I absolutely just love the way this wig is looking so far. I did want to go ahead and add some mousse into the wig, so I did use my Cantu mousse, and I pulled some of the curls, well, almost all of the curls, just so it gives more of a natural effect. It was looking a lot, you know, like wiggish, so we just want to make sure that this wig is looking like natural hair and not so much a wig. Do you feel me? But yeah, this wig is so cute, and I love the edges on this wig. It looks very natural, and I'm also just adding a little bit of mousse into the edges as well because we just want to make sure that this wig is looking as natural as possible. And you guys, I didn't use any glue for this wig. Like, can we just give a round of applause? Like, okay, this wig is absolutely gorgeous, and it definitely mimics my natural hair, and I was feeling myself like, look at me, like I'm looking real cute. And the highlights are definitely giving a bit of a funk and a little bit of pizzazz. And that's definitely what I love. I love a little bit of highlight. I just feel like it adds some character to the wig. And you guys, I was feeling this wig a lot. Okay, not a little baby, a lot. And it was giving, girl. It was giving what needed to be gave. It was giving, yeah, this is my natural hair. What are you talking about? Like, this is not a wig. Like, what are you saying? What are you talking about? This is my real hair. Stop playing with me. Yeah, this wig is definitely good for mommies on the go, and I absolutely love it so much. And it's just so cute. I love the length of this hair. It's giving what needs to be gave, baby, okay? And if you guys like this wig, I will have the link listed down below. And again, use my code ZELLE20 if you want 20% off on your purchase. I mean, who wouldn't want 20% off on their purchase? Like, it's a no-brainer. So go ahead and use that code and get you a new wig today, baby, okay? Feel good, feel great. Because when we look good, we feel good. And our aura is just so much more brighter. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you girls in the next video. Bye.
She don't wanna love and making no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no.